Hey YouTube, how we doing today? That's right, Barrel and Blade is back in the shop. This is the February 2018 box. We're gonna get into it right after we roll that intro. Alright, YouTube, thank you so much for sticking with me past that intro. Alright, if you're unfamiliar with Barrel and Blade, they are a monthly subscription box that only has 2 levels. I like them. They've sent some interesting stuff out. Let's see what's in this box. Full disclosure, already opened, made sure all the items were in here, and I paid for this box, so I get to give my true and valuable opinions on it. But anywho. Okay, now, there is what comes in each level. We are going to be taking a look at this one right here, their highest level. Now, if you want to screenshot that and take a look at everything breaking down, go ahead. We'll wait a second or two. All right, time's up. Now, okay, it appears there's 4 items in the box. We're going to start from the bottom and work our way up to the top. First item up is a Schrade Ferris rod. It's got an MSRP of $9. I mean, let's get honest. Ferris rods, they're always good to have. I've never tried a Schrade one yet, so it's something new for me. But let's get it out of the package. There it is, guys. Short, sweet, and simple. As with every other Ferris rod, it comes with a black protective coating. You need to scrape it off in order to produce the sparks. Feels like it's got a pretty good striker, but some of these edges don't feel really 90 degrees, or it feels a little bit rounded out, which could present a problem. But that's just my opinion. Okay, next item up is a Dead On Tools Annihilator. I'm getting bad flashbacks to a Battle Box Little Trucker, but this is what they say about it on the card. This is a quintessential urban survival tool, and it is a beast. It can bash through doors, sheetrock, and even concrete. You can pry through doors, boards, or windows, and this is the tool to have in your bug-out bag, get-home bag, car, or truck. Yay. Oh, boy. Okay. That's it. Looks like a pry bar with a hammer. You know, your little pry bar, a little chisel area. Neat little spike down here. Okay, it's definitely got some weight to it. It says it's the 14-inch ultimate utility wrecking bar, utility/wrecking bar. All right, well, there's the info on the back. I might carry it. It might make its way into a bag. I don't know. Says it's got a demolition hammer, demolition hammer, nail puller, tile ripper, board straightener. What is that? Demolition. Oh, okay. Cutting surface right here. It's pretty dull, though. It says demolition axe right through here. It says it's got precision balance. Okay. So, down here is the multi-purpose nail. I love it. Multi-purpose wrench nail puller. And massive chisel. So, you make up your mind on that. Alright, moving on. This one I'm excited, because if you don't remember, in last month I was upset there really wasn't a cutting tool. This one is from a company I've never heard of, so I get something new. It is the Stat Gear Asus knife, or Asus, AUSUS. It's got an MSRP of $50. Oh, sorry. This has a value of 80. So, let's grab the knife. Now, I know normally I show all this, or I even do a video with all the tech specs, but there you go, guys. What has me very excited? D-Tool steel. That's a good freaking steel. Pretty high in, if I remember correctly, carbon and chromium, which makes a tougher blade. That's what it looks like closed. It does have the micarta handles on there, or excuse me, micarta scales. It comes pretty centered. It looks like it's only carried one way, which is tip down, but it looks like you can reverse it to either left hand or right hand. It's got a nice open. But there is the blade. It's got some jimping right back here. It's got a real boxy feel when it sits in my hand. Really, really boxy. But there it is. A blade from a company I've never heard of before. That's kind of cool. Now the last item is the tru-spec Trek Sling Pack. I think they've sent one of these before in one of their boxes. It's not a huge backpack. It's more of a like little, I don't know, little item pack, for lack of a better phrase. If you guys do have your CCW, there is like a little CCW pouch back here. I don't know, a little like pill whatever pouch. Looks like you could slip an iPad or a tablet, whatever, back here. Opens up in other areas, but I know, if you look back, if you guys like morale patches, here's a spot you can put one. I don't know, I'm going to have to get into this because I don't see myself using one. But I've used Stranger Things. But that's it, guys. Looks like there's only 4 items this month. I know it's just kind of a short video on this, but, you know, I don't want to say it's a fail, because I don't think it is. I know I got double my money, because I paid like $100 for this level. So, you know, I'm calling that a win. But hey, let me set it all up, and we'll do our review like we usually do. Okay guys, so this is the February Barrel and Blade box at their higher level. I do like the fact there's a cutting tool in this month's. You know, it's from a company I hadn't heard of before. It's gotten pretty good reviews on Amazon when I took a look. You know, there's a Ferris rod and you can never have too many of those laying around. The little annihilator tool, I gotta tell you, I think it's kind of gimmicky. But it may have some value to somebody. It may end up being a giveaway to one of you out there. And the little Trek pack over here. I know my son will like it. I don't know if I'll use it, but I'm gonna give it a try out. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you think of this box. Leave your comments, questions, whatever, you know, down below like you usually do. If you are a first-time viewer on the channel, thank you so much for giving me a couple moments of your time today. It is very valuable to me. Over here, you're going to see a symbol popping up. That's our company logo. Go ahead, click on that, and make sure you click on the bell icon that's right next to it. That will notify you every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, you're going to see 2 popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube picks for you from our catalog, thinking they're good fits for you. But there you go, guys. Barrel and Blade, February 2018. Thank you so much for watching, and have an incredible day.